AI and Vendasta, totally amazing. Their AI workforce is awesome. If you haven't checked it out, you better check it out ASAP. Here at MAGNFI, we're all about magnifying video and humanizing AI. So we had 2 partners just recently added video to the Vendasta AI workforce chatbot. Both Patrick and Brian leveraged video for their chatbots. First up, Patrick. Check out what Patrick just did. Go ahead and click AI at your workforce, yeah. And then, yep, go ahead and click on Lindsay there. So there's his capabilities there. And then go ahead and click add a capability, yep. New capability. And then you can name it whatever you want, right? Yeah, this is to help you identify it later.
Do you have to do this for every video you put in it, or is it separate?
Yeah, for every video you pop in there, yep. Okay, cool. So the description, this is for reference too. A prompt that will set this up for you. Go ahead and copy, yep, there you go. So now, go back to your Howl Studios MAGNFI account, and then click on create a video message. Click that, right? So now title this that case study video, because we're gonna upload it to your account, right? Let's go ahead and click upload. So you obviously have a call to action here. You can say book a meeting here, what book meeting, whatever you want to do, right? So now you want to use copy URL and thumbnail image. So go ahead and click that, and then head back over to your that prompt area. So and then go ahead and then toast all that, right? Then go ahead and hit done and hit save. Now, if you want to test it out, go to your website. So ask it a question based on like, do you have any case studies or whatever? There you go.
There it is. Look at that.
Bada bing, bada boom. Perfect.
Awesome. Book a demo, callback, reply back. That's sweet.
Isn't that awesome? Brian not only leveraged video in the chatbot, he also leveraged the story video tool to get a fantastic video testimonial from his customers that he added it to his chatbot. Check out that video.
Yeah, this works. Yeah, so I got this. I'm going to
copy your own thumbnail.
URL.
So again, it's a little weird because it's all the gobbledygook code, but it's gonna work. Yeah. This is for social proof, testimony, case study, or social proof. Okay. And then this is for reference only, by the way, not for the AI, right? So, and then 2, if you wanted to, like for the prompt, you could scroll up and put share a quick success story to build trust if customer asks for a testimonial or a case study or social proof. Because here we're training the bot, right? Sometimes I do notice it takes a minute.
All right, let's see what it does here.
It does, yeah. To say, hey, do you have any case studies or video testimonials? Come on, Adam.
Get your coffee, Adam. So there's the appropriate response. There it is. That's so cool.
So now you got to reply back. You can remove the reply back too, right? So you can put like callback here, reply back, or you could add a URL to like, hey, in your video you can say, hey, book a time to meet to learn more about your business, whatever you wanted to. So you're a genius, man. So you use the story video to capture a fantastic video testimonial. You use the video message tool to embed it in your chatbot. So you're off and running.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, this is awesome.
AI chatbots, AI voice agents are fantastic, but you know what's better? Humanizing it. It differentiates your customer from the competition. So not only can you leverage AI, but you can humanize it with a face, with video. If you haven't signed up for MAGNFI and you want to add video to Vendasta's fantastic AI workforce chatbot, and you want to add video testimonial capture to reputation marketing, your social media marketing plans, produce video content, add video to SMS and email marketing across the board, check out MAGNFI in the Vendasta marketplace. We got you covered.